This is Steph Gaudreau of StupidEasyPaleo.com, and today we're gonna make my beet, carrot, and apple salad. You know, the best recipes to me are the ones that have a connection to a friend or a loved one, and this recipe is no different. A few years ago, we were hanging out in Boulder with our very good friends, Jamie and Anastasia, who live in New Zealand. It's so far away, and every time we get to hang out together, it just makes my heart so happy. This recipe is adapted from one that Jamie cooked up for everybody when we were hanging out and sharing a meal together. And to me, that just makes the recipe even better. So from Jamie to me to you with love, this is a great addition to your summertime table. Making this beet, carrot, and apple salad really couldn't be any more simple. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to do that now. You can shred everything with a box grater. Bonus, you get a good arm workout, which never hurts. But if you have a food processor with a shredding blade, this comes together in mere seconds. Either way is up to you. I like to use the food processor so I can get that going and move on. So we're gonna start with the apple. Cut them into chunks, run them through the food processor, and shred them. We're gonna continue that same process with the carrots. Wash them, trim the tops off, run them through the food processor, and then with a couple of beets, so we've got this nice big bowl of shredded goodness. I really like the carrots and the green apple because you've got some tartness from the green apple, the sweetness of the carrot, and that's a nice counter to the earthy flavor of the beets. Then we're going to add our dressing ingredients, and I use air quotes there because it's really not a true dressing, but we are gonna add fresh lemon juice. Now, I like to add the zest as well. That's the kind of yellow outer portion of the lemon. It's got all of the essential oil from the lemon, and man, it just kicks that flavor up so nicely. So we're gonna add that, some salt and pepper, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can also use avocado oil if you like that. Give it a good toss. If you can let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let all those flavors come together, even better. Serve this with your favorite protein, a side salad. It's a nice no-cook addition to a hot summer day. To get the full recipe for this beet, carrot, and apple salad, head over to StupidEasyPaleo.com.